Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Settings, go straight to Music, because this is where iOS exposes EQ. Once you tap Music, you'll see an EQ entry, tap it now. This is the only built-in equalizer control iPhone provides system-wide, so don't look for sliders here. Choose EQ presets like Bass Booster or Vocal Booster. They apply to Apple Music and system playback that uses the music engine. Make sure your audio is playing so you can hear changes as you switch presets. With a known song playing, toggle through presets to judge effect. Tap Bass Booster if you want low end, or Vocal Booster for clearer mids. Try classical, rock, or flat to compare. You'll hear immediate changes. Use Quick/B switching. Pick one, listen, then switch back. This helps you judge tonal balance and perceived loudness. Once done, stick with the preset that sounds best at your normal listening volume, because some presets can increase perceived loudness or highlight noise. After you select a preset, exit Settings and continue listening. The change is persistent until you pick another. If you don't hear any difference, make sure the audio app actually uses the system EQ. Some third-party apps bypass it. Once done, restart the music app, then restart your iPhone if needed. As a final tip, if you need fine-tuning beyond presets, use an app with its own equalizer or hardware with adjustable DSP, because iOS only offers preset choices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.